Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 2nd, our word of the day is apogee. A-P-O-G-E-E. Apogee. Apogee is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Apogee is the most successful, popular, or powerful point. In other words, the apex, or climax. For an object in orbit around the Earth, the apogee is the point that is highest or farthest from the Earth. Similar words include summit, height, peak, climax, pinnacle, zenith, acme. Examples of sentences using apogee are: it took many years for the industry to reach its apogee, but only a few more for it to become defunct. His political career reached its apogee in the 1960s. The Alliance for Progress reached its apogee during the first half of the decade. At midnight on Friday, December 12, 1919, that rocket reached its apogee. Just when his power reached its apogee, he began losing his grip. At their apogee, the novels of Spillane claimed worldwide sales of over $180 million. Make sure to save this new word, apogee, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.